द डार्क साइड ऑफ ओवर फास्टिंग ऑन कीटो। ये काफी लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि ओवर फास्टिंग का भी डार्क साइड है, दैट ऑटोफेजी विच इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ यू बीइंग ऑन कीटो विच इज रिवर्स एजिंग कैन सिंपली गेट अगेंस्ट यू। स्टे ट्यून्ड टिल द एंड टू नो मोर। Hi, welcome back. I'm Rahul Kamra, founder of KetoReds. After transforming myself and 1,000 plus people, which has recently surpassed 1,200 plus individuals, I am fortunate enough to teach people how to get into keto, exit out of keto, and how to make the most of their ketogenic journey. This topic came from an inspiration when I saw 3 KetoReds members in the last week who simply gave up after they started their self-fasting routine. और ये मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ अभी 1 अक्टूबर को। नवरात्रि का टाइम था, उनको था कि अच्छा फास्टिंग करनी है। They tried to push really hard and eventually they could see a lot of difficulties, not only just in the diet, psychologically as well, and this has brought them to a point where they're at the brink of giving up. Let's dive deep into this topic, but before I get into the topic, pause the video, subscribe to the channel pressing the bell icon. KetoReds India का एक अकेला चैनल है जहाँ पे कीटो, लो कार्ब, फैट लॉस साइकोलॉजी, कीटो मिथ्स, कीटो टिप्स, कीटो ट्रिक्स, इन सब के बारे में बात होती है। Don't forget to subscribe. Before we jump into the topic is divided into chapters. नीचे आपको आराम से 12 पे chapters मिलेंगे. Let me set some context for you. आपको पता लगा intermittent fasting के बारे में and you were very excited. You started with intermittent fasting and now you realize that fasting is good, so more fasting is going to be better and you start fasting more, but now your energy levels are completely gone off. Fasting is like a tool, it's not like a competition. कुछ हद तक fasting आपके लिए काम करेगी, एक point के बाद में ये आपके सारे anti inflammatory benefits, autophagy, आपकी body का पूरा adaptation, इन सब को change कर सकता है, and this is where this topic gets into. We move to chapter number 1, the seduction of autophagy. What is the seduction here? Everybody likes autophagy. When I'll explain autophagy to you, you'll be excited to know much more. Autophagy helps your body to clean up existing cells. The zombie cells are cleaned up and the body gets anti-aging benefits. We get very excited because when we fast, our body gets into this autophagy state. But the moment when you go extended fast, the body starts taking it like starvation. सबसे पहले cortisol spike होगा. Cortisol spike होने से आपकी भूख लगा होगी, sleep cycle आपका पूरा messed up होगा. Fat loss आपका एकदम से उस टाइम पे effect होने लगेगा. Second thing is your reproductive hormones. Estrogen, testosterone specifically in females. For males, testosterone starts dipping down. Third thing is your thyroid function takes a toll. T3 function takes a toll, which affects your fat loss in the longer run. So जहाँ पे आप निकले थे ऑटोफेजी करने, अब आप स्टारवेशन में आ चुके हो। अब आपकी बॉडी बोल रही है अब मैं रीजनरेट नहीं करूंगी, अब तो यार ये तो कंजर्वेशन मोड है, इसको तो रोकना पड़ेगा। आई विल हैव टू सेफगार्ड एवरीथिंग एंड इट स्टार्ट्स होल्डिंग ऑन टू एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल। चैप्टर 2, द हार्मोनल कॉस्ट ऑफ ओवर फास्टिंग। कीटो में एनर्जी स्टेबल है, अब हम करेंगे ओमैड 24 आवर्स 48 आवर्स का फास्ट। भूखे रहेंगे, हवा पानी पे जिंदा रहेंगे बहुत, बट दिस कम्स विद अ कॉस्ट। द हार्मोनल कॉस्ट इज द बिगेस्ट कॉस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू पे, क्योंकि आप जो फास्टिंग करने जा रहे हो आपकी बॉडी का कंप्लीटली बैलेंस हिलेगा इस टाइम पे। नंबर 1 इज थायराइड सप्रेशन। रिसर्च इन द जर्नल ऑफ क्लिनिकल endocrinology also shows that if you are fasting for a longer period of time, लंबे समय तक कैलोरिक डेफिसिट डाइट पे हो, T3 आपका एक्टिव थायराइड हार्मोन लो डाउन होना स्टार्ट होगा, मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो होगा, फैट लॉस और ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होगा। आप कर रहे हो फास्टिंग बट एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट चीजें हो रही है। फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज फैट लॉस विल स्टॉल। सेकंड, cortisol overdrive. Chronic fasting can help you the initial way. You will lose fat, but the moment when your body realizes cortisol increases at a higher pace and now your body is feeling much more puffy, it starts holding water, it does water retention, it starts holding back to everything, starts breaking down muscle. Breaking down of muscle can also happen on ketogenic diet if you're doing excessive fasting. This is a warning to anybody who's trying to do that. Third is sex hormones dip. Not only just your libido dips, in fact females also see hair thinning happening. They see their irregular cycles, mood swings. Randomly around the periods you are like, oh my god, I was feeling so well, now something is going wrong. Whereas males, they feel low testosterone levels. They see that okay, their overall fertility gets affected because of chronic fasting. Chapter 3, signs that you're over fasting. Number 1, you feel cold throughout. You feel very very cold at times. थोड़े से एसी में आपको ज्यादा ठंड लगती है. You feel like as if something is happening with your body. This means your T3 levels are down. Second thing, you get up in the night 3 AM आप उठ रहे हो, आपके दिल से बहुत सारा रेसी थॉट्स है, आपको लग रहा है कि अच्छा कुछ होने वाला है, कुछ करने वाला है, क्या करना है. This is cortisol spike. This is your body under stress right now. Third is fat loss is stalled. No matter how much ever you fast, you cannot see your weight loss, fat loss happening at all. कपड़ों में कोई चेंज नहीं, बॉडी में कोई चेंज नहीं है. Fourth, females they see irregular menstrual cycle, mood swings. Fifth, males they see low libido, low testosterone levels. These are certain symptoms specifically for people who are over fasting. अगर आप फास्टिंग कर रहे हो और आपके साथ में ऐसा हो रहा है, that means you are over fasting for sure and the body is rebelling. These are symptoms of the body saying कि मत करो यार, ये जरूरत नहीं है आपके लिए. Also please make a note, these are not adaptation symptoms. ये आपके body के adapting symptoms नहीं है. These are warning signs by the body. If you do not take these warning signs, things can go really wrong. They may not go in the positive sense which you want to achieve while you're being on keto, while you're including intermittent fasting, while you're trying to understand everything about metabolic shifts. We move to chapter number 4, how to fast smarter, not harder. I'll tell you some few tricks and tips which I tell my Keto Rest members. First one is intermittent fasting reboot. You start with 16:8, you start fasting, and then you reach 20 hours of fasting and 4 hours of eating window. Then you reach 21 hours of fasting and 3 hours of eating window in a matter of 3 weeks, and then you continue this for 3 hours of eating. Then you go back again reverse. IF reboot is specifically utilized for you to make sure that you do not fast crazily. वीडियो के एंड तक वेट करोगे, मैं आपको एक प्लेलिस्ट शेयर करूंगा जो इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग के बारे में है. सेकंड थिंग इज वेरिएबल फास्टिंग. दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई लाइक द मोस्ट. One day 16:8. So say for example Monday, Wednesday, Friday 16:8. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday keep it 18:6. 18 hours of fasting, 6 hours of eating. Sunday you can eat all day. Don't have to worry. This is how you can place your variable fasting. You can change it according to different patterns, different hours. Maybe let's say next week you can keep a different kind of fasting routine. Body thrives on variation. आपकी body को predictable चीजें पसंद नहीं है. Okay यार तुम बताओ सही, कुछ नया करने का मन कर रहा है. Third is use fasting for context, not for identity. Don't do 24-36 hours of fasting randomly every week. You can do it when you're traveling. Best time to fast when you're traveling. When you're traveling, try fasting. Because while you're traveling, you may not find a lot of food options, but you can keep this 24 to 36 hours of fast for your gut reset, for your lifestyle reset, for bringing you back into ketosis, for keeping yourself much more disciplined. But don't try to keep it like an identity that you keep 24 to 36 hours of fast every now and then. This will make you lose muscle. This will make you lose electrolytes. This will make you feel like giving up. You will feel in a restrictive format. Don't make it your identity. Keep it with context in terms of if you're traveling, keep it on 24 hours of fasting. That's always better to make sure that you do not binge eat. For males, if you're fasting excessively, please keep a watch on your testosterone levels, libido, on your fertility. आपको इसका कुछ effect हो सकता है. इसके बारे में आपको ध्यान देना जरूरी है. Fifth point, which is very important, is sleep is the game changer. Sleep is your maximum multiplier for fat loss. If you're messed up with your sleep cycle, you will not see fat loss happening no matter कितना भी आप fast कर लो. If your fasting is affecting your deep sleep, अगर आपको रात को नींद नहीं आ रही because आपका खाली पेट सो रहे हो, don't do that fasting. Rather focus on sleep. You'll see your results happening for sure. So to sum up, fasting is like fire. घर पे चूल्हा जलाते हो, ज़्यादा तेज पे आग पे लगाओगे, खाना जल जाएगा. ठीक से बनाओगे, टेस्टी खाना बनेगा. स्लो फ्लेम पे बनाओगे, हो सकता है कुछ अच्छा बना लोगे. Similarly, you need to use fasting with a pinch of salt. You need to use it when you need it. And this is where the entire cycle of fasting is something which is abused by a lot of people. They simply feel that हम ज़्यादा fast करेंगे तो हमें body fat loss कर लेगी. You may see initial progress, but you will see eventually stagnation, and you will see things not working for you. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to like the video, share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel pressing the bell icon. If you want to learn how to start with intermittent fasting, I'm sharing a playlist for you. This is a game changer playlist. It will teach you how to apply IF Reboot. Check out this playlist. If you want to learn how to change your meal timings, these meal timings can actually make a difference in your overall routine, and you can also club in fasting. Check out this video. This playlist and this video will help you so much more. I'll see you next week, Sunday 6 p.m. This is Rahul Kamra signing off.